Hello, praisers and savers. My name is Sandy, and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be heading into Target. The date is October the 22nd, and these deals will run to October the 28th. 2023. If you are new here, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Also, join me on my social media platforms, TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram at Praising and Saving. As always, there is a printable breakdown in the description box. You can either print it off and take it in the store with you, or you can just pull it up on your phone. No need to write any of these deals down. The first I have for you are these Huggies Simply Clean wipes. These are going to be $10.79 after all of our deals. Now the price starts at $17.29, and we're going to be getting it down all the way to $10.79 for this huge box of wipes. This one has 704 wipes in this box. Now remember, all these deals are digital. You don't need to clip any coupons out. You can just clip them on your phone. Now what you'll do is on the Target app, you're going to first save a $3 on the Huggies wipes on the Target app, so that's super easy. At the register, you'll pay $14.29, and then you'll head on over to IBOTTA. The IBOTTA rebate for this is $3.50. Now with that $3 off coupon and that $3.50 IBOTTA rebate, your total is going to be $10.79. Next deal are on these Pullups. These are the huge boxes of Pullups. They're like $40 for a box. You're going to pick up 2 boxes. Your total will be $79.98. I know that's a lot, but we're going to get a good deal on this. We're going to be saving $30. So we have a $5 coupon on the Target app, and this $5 coupon is going to apply to both boxes. In addition to that, we're going to get back a $15 gift card when we buy 2 of these boxes. After that, you're going to head on over to IBOTTA for a $2 rebate for each box. So that's $4 in rebates. There's also some Fetch rewards, but I didn't add that in because it's kind of difficult at this point because I have other rewards. So with that $10 in coupons from the app, the $15 gift card, and the $4 in IBOTTA, your total will be $50.98 or $25.49 per box of Pullups. Now for this next deal, we have a bundle deal, and we're going to be picking up these 5 items here. They're going to be $2.16 each after all of our coupons and our rebates. And of course, with these type of bundles, you can mix and match and do what you want to do. But what you're going to do is you're going to spend $25 on select products and get back a $5 gift card. So these are the products I decided to choose, and of course, you have to do what's best for you. The first item that we picked up was the Big Soleil razor. I really need razors because I gave a lot of razors away to the one of the homeless shelters, and I'm running out of razors for myself. So these are $6.49 each. There is a save $3 on big products on the Target app, so it's going to make each pack of razors $3.49. So that's already a great deal, 50% off just by using that coupon on the Target app. Then again, I picked up another pack of razors. These are the Skintimate razors. They are also $6.49. It is also part of that spend 25, get back a $5 gift card, and there's also a $3 coupon on the Target app. So our total will be $3.49. So both those pack of razors will already have high value coupons, and we're going to be spending just about 50%. In addition to that, we're going to head on over to IBOTTA. There is a 75-cent IBOTTA rebate on the Skintimate razors. So with that 75-cent IBOTTA rebate and that $3 coupon, your total is going to be $2.74. Then picking up this Dove antibacterial hand wash. This is my brother's favorite because he's allergic to a bunch of hand washes, so I'm going to give these to him. So these are $4.19 each. We're going to pick up 3 of them. Your total will be $12.57 at the register. You'll be submitting to IBOTTA for $1 back on each one, which is going to be $3 back. So your total after that is going to $9.57. Now, I do want to tell you guys to be careful with this Dove hand soap. It's $3.99 because I almost picked up these instead of picking up the ones that were $4.19. If I would have picked these up and the two razors up, my total would not have equaled $25. So just disclaimer on there, make sure you do your math on all your products that you get to get that spend 25, get a $5 gift card. Do not forget to comment your favorite deal of the day. It helps me a ton when you guys comment. Next thing we're getting is this Purina Friskies. This is the I think it's 3.5 pounds for $5.29 for these. You're going to pick up 3 bags. Your total will be $15.87. There is a $5 coupon when you buy 3 bags on the ShopMeum app. So we're using the ShopMeum app. We're no longer using the coupons.com app. Your total will be $10.87 after that. Then you'll submit to IBOTTA. Then there's an IBOTTA rebate for 75 cents, and we're buying 3 bags, so your total in IBOTTA rebates is going to be $2.25. Then you'll head over to Shopkicks. With the Shopkicks, it's going to be about $3 on the Shopkicks that you'll get back on there. So with the $5 Shop Me, the $2.25 back from IBOTTA, and the $3 back from Shopkicks, your total will be $5.62 for all 3 bags, or about $1.87 per bag. Now, on the principal breakdown, I actually have these 3 items labeled in like a green color, and I did that because I wanted you guys to see these items and know that they are together on the principal breakdown. And so these 3 items here, we're going to be getting them part of the buy 3, get a $10 gift card. So we got an Airwick, hefty trash bags, and a big bottle of Tide. So with getting that, we had to first off get this Airwick. Now, I'm so sorry I did not post this video sooner, but these Airwicks are usually $11.99. They're pretty pricey. There was a $7 IBOTTA rebate on the app. So I'm sorry I didn't get this video posted in time, but you can mix and match and change these things out so you're able to decide if instead of this you can get, a bottle of laundry softener, that sort of thing. But this is what I got. It was $11.99, $7 IBOTTA rebate on those. Then we got a big bottle of Tide. This is $12.99. There is a $2 Target Circle offer on the app. That's going to make these $10.99 for these. So we use these in our house because we have a machine that we load the detergent in. So I'm always excited to pick up a bottle of liquid Tide. Then the last thing I picked up were the hefty trash bags. Now the hefty trash bags, I'm sorry I don't have a good picture of this, but they're $11.59 for these. There is a 10% offer on the Target app, which is about $1.16 off, making these $10.43. So we also got that $10 gift card back when we bought these 3 items that we were able to use on other things that we're getting today during this trip. Next are these coffee mates. Now, at first I thought these were the seasonal ones, but you don't have to get seasonal. They're usually $4.49 each, but they are 2 for $7, so $3.50 each. Of course, we're going to buy 2. There is a $1 coupon on the Target app that applies. And then after we use the Target app and we've paid our $6 for both bottles of creamer, we're going to head on over to IBOTTA. There is a 75-cent rebate on IBOTTA, and that 75-cent rebate can be done twice. So it's going to make that $1.50 back from IBOTTA. So with the 2 for $7, the $1 coupon on the Target app, the $1.50 back from IBOTTA, it's going to make each bottle of creamer just $2.25 each. Pretty decent deal. You're saving over $2 on all these deals here, just digital coupons. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed everything, please make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment your favorite deal of the day, and also comment if you have any questions because it helps me a ton when you guys engage in the video. Comment, and you also watch the videos all the way through. It helps me to keep bringing these videos to you week after week. So hopefully I will be able to post a video of me going into Publix this coming Wednesday. And I have a big conference coming up, so hopefully I'll get to that. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.